In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block unwanted emails on Yahoo. If you're tired of spam or repeat messages you don't want to see, this walkthrough will show you how to block a sender directly in Yahoo Mail. We'll start on the Yahoo homepage, sign in, open your inbox, and use the built-in block sender option to stop future emails from that address. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. You'll land on the Yahoo homepage. Look toward the upper right corner for the sign in button. Go ahead and click sign in. Follow the on-screen process to access your account. Enter your login details and complete any verification Yahoo requests. The prompts may vary slightly depending on your security settings, so just proceed as instructed until you're fully signed in. Once you're signed in, head to Mail. You'll see a mail link in the upper right area of the page. Click it. If you're taken to a landing screen or you're prompted again, simply click Mail once more to open your inbox. Inside your inbox, find a message from the sender you'd like to block. Click the email to open it so you can see the full message view. Opening the message makes it easier to access the options you need. With the message open, look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called More, near the top of the email or the toolbar area. Click those three dots to open the menu. In this menu, choose Block Sender. This is the action that tells Yahoo to stop emails from this address from reaching your inbox in the future. A confirmation window will appear so you can verify your choice. Review the prompt, then click OK to confirm. That's it. From now on, emails from that sender will be blocked, keeping your inbox cleaner and helping reduce distractions. A couple of tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the three-dot menu, make sure the message is fully open rather than just selected in the list. Interface labels can vary slightly, but the option you're looking for is Block Sender within the More or three-dot menu. If you have multiple unwanted senders, repeat the same process for each one. Open a message from that sender, click the three dots, choose Block Sender, and confirm. You've just learned the quickest way to block unwanted emails in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner inbox.